Alright, so this is how I blend colors. I want to make a green for the leaves for these roses. So this is just basic colors that you come out. This is a brown that I made, a red that or burgundy that I made, black. So I don't like either of these or this one. Although this one's actually a better base than this one, I think. So I'm going to blend a little bit of a green for the leaves for these. Okay, so these are the two greens, and this is another basic yellow green. Not this one that I was going to use, but it's another one. And so I'm going to start by blending a little bit of this with this and lightening this up. Oh. The key to blending the colors just to keep working it over onto itself. Keep like pulling it, pushing it over. Alright, and so I think this was the original and this is it now. They're just slightly lighter. I might not even need this other one. Oh, let's put that one aside. And so I'm going to take a teeny little bit of this brown. This is a purplish brown that is just a blend of old colors. I'm just going to take a little bit of it. Alright, so now it's just a little bit darker. And to make it just a little bit darker, I'm going to use some of this maroonish color. So that's the original. And that's what we made.